We're just checking in. We just got a free ginger lemon tea. You can see me in the polished, shiny elevator there. It was lovely, and a bag guy is going to come up and bring us their stuff. What was your name?
My name's Ihana.
Ihana is showing us our room. Megs is already out there. Oh wow. Gold toilets and fixtures. A nice big closet here. Same nice soft touch material with gold highlights. The plush slippers. First things first. And look at this bathroom. And the bags are already here.
The service here really was great. Everything you can think of is just a phone call away.
Head back into the main, your own personal dining room. Massage chair. Megs has been busted.
It literally has a foot massager, calf massager, and all the way to your back.
It's the whole body solution. So this is the master bedroom. It's a pretty cool option.
Look what I found. 24 gold plated tub. Whoop.
This is the best seat in the house. Seen golden toilets before, but anyone ever seen a golden urinal? So the hotel gym is comically large. Look at this room. Got some cardio stuff there, and more, and a couple machines, and there's like a pool room with some boxing and stuff. It's pretty cool. You could have a freaking ballroom here. Look how small Megs looks on the other side of the room there.
Why is it so big? There's decent equipment though.
They do have all the free weights, and there's a bench, so, and there's one of these, so you can pretty much do everything. And that. If you're tired out from your yoga and your boxing and your pool and foosball, you can play 360 Connect, and I think that might be a Wii over there.
I think this is my favorite part of the hotel. This is just so cool. Like, look at that view. 360 all the way around, you can see everything, and on the other side over there is a rooftop bar that's just as cool.
Unreal. So this is actually one of the craziest breakfast selections I think I've ever seen. Like, I always know what I want to eat, and I actually kind of panicked when I got to the buffet because there was like all of lunch, all of dinner, all of veggie, omelet bar, there was like all the Vietnamese breakfasts, all the Chinese, all the Western, and like a fruit, coffee, smoothies, nuts. It's all super good here. So breakfast is like 10 out of 5, 20 out of 10.
I highly recommend the Wyndham Golden Bay. The infinity pool alone makes the whole thing worth it.